The world's first door-in-door design from LG. Let's look at the main benefits and wonders of LG door-in-door. Simply push the Easy Open button to conveniently take items from the door-in-door. Dual access allows users to easily take items from both sides of the door-in-door at the same time. Four out of 10 people do not exactly know what kind of food items are in the refrigerator, and 1 out of 4 people ends up buying the same items already stored in the refrigerator. With LG's door-in-door, you can now prevent duplicate purchase and reduce food waste. LG's door-in-door introduces new space up to 74 liters in size, and 3 zones of door-in-door, allowing family members to store and organize various items in personalized space. Adjustable moving basket allows you to organize your beverages and snacks according to size and height. Main door of the refrigerator is opened up to 80 times a day. More than half of those people open for beverages or snacks. LG's door-in-door is energy efficient because you don't have to open the main door. According to test results, cold air loss is reduced by more than 50% if the door-in-door is only opened compared to when the main door is opened. Energy can be saved from reduced cold air loss by more than half. Also, it is possible to store food in fresh condition for a long time, since change in temperature is reduced by almost half if cold air is properly maintained. As a result, you can keep food fresher and longer with even cooling. LG's door-in-door holds patent for exclusive design in more than 20 countries, including US. And also won the Red Dot Design Award 2013 for its innovative double-layered door design. Experience the convenience of door-in-door refrigerator from LG's wide range of choice. The innovations of your life, LG door-in-door collection. Life's good, LG.